Hello everyone, I'm Jaideep Singh Chahel. This is probably the first full Jimny build that we have in the house. First full Jimny build for the Trek Trails garage, and it's a matter of pride for us that it's a brand new vehicle which has travelled all the way from Pune just to be fixed up or to be modified the way we like to do things, and now it's headed back. So the basic build, which is the phase 1 for Mr. Suyog, is done. Next phase, we are planning a front and rear bumper with a tow point and maybe a winch in the future. So I'll quickly brief you through what all has been installed on the vehicle. So this is a brand new 2026 model manual. We'll come to the cosmetics later. If you can bring the camera this side, I'll quickly show you the hardware that has gone on the vehicle. We are running a set of Ironman Nitrogas suspension full kit with caster correction bushes, and we also have gone in for the Foamcell series steering damper for the vehicle. As far as the wheels and tires are concerned, we are running a set of Radar Renegade 235 75 R15 on a beautiful set of 15-inch American racing wheels. So the wheels are actually the best size that you can buy for this vehicle. This is 15 by 7J. So if you can bring the camera this side, it lines up flush. So I don't think there could be a neater fit for the vehicle. It is not sticking out of the body much, and they really complement the vehicle. These are not your extra wide 8Js or 9Js. These are made just for this vehicle, I would say. Now to the interesting bit. The vehicle has a quantum stage 2 remap, and we are running so if you can bring the camera this side, we are running a set of Automech headers and the collector pipe. So this goes till the middle and it sounds wonderful. So this paired with the stage 2 remap and also with a Bazard pedal tuner, they give this vehicle, I would say, enough pep to compensate for the bigger tires and the general lag that is felt. Even though in the manuals it is not that prominent, the autos are slightly sluggish, but it really feels, and I could say it drives better than what it looks like. So I think that's about it for the front. if you can bring the camera this side, we'll quickly show that the vehicle is also running the upgraded brake rotors and the brake pad. So the full Ironman brake kit has been installed on the vehicle, and so the suspension kit, it actually comes as a full set of parts for the vehicle, which is there is a front cross member drop kit, then there is a rear brake line extension, and of course all 4 shocks, all 4 coils. What we've done right now, we've gone in for the type C coils, front and rear, so the vehicle is ready to take a bull bar later on, and there is ample amount of clearance. Also a dash cam has gone in, and maybe and of course a bash plate underneath, a front bash plate, a center rock guard. So this is basically ready to travel, and that is exactly what he wants to do with the vehicle. Also, not to miss, it is running a beautiful set of neon. I love the pipe, I love how the pipe looks on these. So we are also running a set of depth breathers. These again I feel are a must have for every 4x4. The forest snorkel, this is exactly what your vehicle needs. So other than this, I probably might have forgotten a couple of things, but the matter of pride for me is that we've put the Tetrail's name on this vehicle, and it is going to stay on there forever. So that's really a matter of pride, and I would love to thank everyone who's showing so much love, sending in vehicles from all across the country, and I really hope we'll be able to do justice to the kind of trust that you are showing in us. And I think we've got a lot of exciting stuff in 2026 lined up. Thank you so much.